Welcome to Đồng Nai Radio and Television Station. Here come to the news today. In Hanoi on August 31st, the Residents' Office held a press conference to announce the Resident 2021 amnesty decision. This is the first time the resident had decided to grant amnesty after 4 years, and also the first time since the amnesty law was amended in 2018. In decision number 1535 dated August 30th, 2021, Resident Nguyễn Xuân Phúc signed a decision to grant amnesty to 3,026 prisoners who are serving recent sentences, and 3 are temporarily suspended from serving recent sentences. 6 are currently postponed serving a prison sentence eligible for amnesty in 2021. This decision takes effect on September 1st, 2021. The resident decision on amnesty is implemented on the principles of democracy, science, objectivity, fairness, publicity, transparency, and lawfulness. Once again, the amnesty work clearly shows the humanity of the party and state, along with that is to better ensure human rights during the amnesty work. On August 31st, at the Conference and Event Center of Đồng Nai Province, the 10th Đồng Nai Provincial People's Council held the third session, thematic session, to approve a number of important contents, with the number of votes reaching to 75 out of 76 delegates present. Mr. Nguyễn Xuân Hùng was elected as the Vice Chairman of Đồng Nai Provincial People's Committee, term 2021 to 2026. The meeting also discussed and approved the full-term resolution of the Provincial People's Council, term 10, term 2021 to 2026, and the supervision program of the Provincial People's Council in the 2022 to ensure the implementation of the tasks of the Provincial People's Council as prescribed by law. The Management Board of Đồng Nai Industrial Parks recently issued document number 3279 to businesses about signing a commitment to implement measures to prevent the COVID-19 pandemic at enterprises. Contents of commitment include strictly implement pandemic prevention and control measures at request of the Management Board of Industrial Zones, local authorities, and the health sector, develop a plan to prevent and control the COVID-19 pandemic and take measures when there are suspected cases of infection of the unit, arrange a temporary medical isolation rooms in case the employee has one of the symptoms as fever, cold, difficulty breathing during work, enterprises, shall access the risk of COVID-19 infection at their production and business establishments and to place them on the COVID-19 safety map. Besides regularly cleaning and disinfecting, implementing food safety and hygiene, strictly managing employees, periodically tests for COVID-19 screening for employees. U.S. President Joe Biden on August 31st called the evacuation from Afghanistan a special success. This is Biden's first public statement since the completion of the withdrawal of the U.S. troops from Afghanistan on August 30th. Mr. Biden says that 19% of Americans in Afghanistan who want to leave has been evacuated, while about 100 to 200 U.S. citizens are still in Afghanistan. Mr. Biden says that the August 31st deadline for the U.S. withdrawal from Afghanistan was set to save American lives, not an arbitrary deadline, and he pledged to continue efforts to help more people in need who are risking of leaving Afghanistan. Egypt is ramping up production of COVID-19 vaccines at the North African country, aims to vaccinate more than 100 million people. Speaking at the headquarters of the Egypt's state-owned biologics and vaccines company, Vaxera, Chairman Herbal Kwali says that the Egyptian government is preparing new facilities to be able to produce several million doses of vaccine per day. In addition to negotiating with several European vaccine suppliers to diversify supply, in recent months, Egypt has received millions of doses of Russia's Sputnik vaccines as well as vaccines Sinopharm, AstraZeneca, Sinovac, Johnson & Johnson. That's all on the news today. Thanks for watching us. Have a good time. Goodbye.